Welcome to Olivia English Practice.
She creates beautiful art.
She creates beautiful art.
He designs websites.
He designs websites.
I draw cartoons.
I draw cartoons.
They paint the house.
They paint the house.
We build sandcastles.
We build sandcastles.
I eat breakfast at 7 a.m.
I eat breakfast at 7 a.m.
She drinks coffee daily.
She drinks coffee daily.
They sleep early.
They sleep early.
We cook dinner together.
We cook dinner together.
He cleans his room.
He cleans his room.
She manages the team.
She manages the team.
I organize files weekly.
I organize files weekly.
They plan the event.
They plan the event.
He leads the project.
He leads the project.
We train new employees.
We train new employees.
Run. She runs every morning.
Run. She runs every morning.
Jump. The kids jump on the bed.
Jump. The kids jump on the bed.
Climb. He climbs the ladder quickly.
Climb. He climbs the ladder quickly.
Swim. They swim in the lake.
Swim. They swim in the lake.
Lift. I lift weights daily.
Lift. I lift weights daily.
Think. I think about the problem.
Think. I think about the problem.
Learn. We learn new words.
Learn. We learn new words.
Understand. She understands the lesson.
Understand. She understands the lesson.
Remember. He remembers her name.
Remember. He remembers her name.
Decide. They decide to go home.
Decide. They decide to go home.
Say. I say hello to everyone.
Say. I say hello to everyone.
Tell. She tells a funny story.
Tell. She tells a funny story.
Ask. They ask for help.
Ask. They ask for help.
Answer. He answers the question.
Answer. He answers the question.
Speak. We speak English fluently.
Speak. We speak English fluently.